All right, today we're going to install this fire extinguisher mount. We got the extinguisher and the mount kit on JEGS. The mount kit itself is part number 1220, link in the description below. No idea what the part number for this is, but I'm sure we'll put a link to it.
Yep.
Pretty cool system. You mount the red piece in the car. There's a pin if you need it. You pull the pin out, and half of the mount stays in the car, half of the mount comes with the extinguisher for you to use.
Cool. And can you kind of talk about where we decided to mount it?
Yeah, so you can mount them really anywhere in the car. You want it to be accessible by the driver in the driver's seat. Things go wrong, you want to get to it as quick as possible. We initially thought we would put it in front of the passenger seat, but then I started laying it out in the car, and I really worried about passengers during our runs kicking the handle, stepping on the gauge, any number of things. I didn't really like it. It's probably the best location for quick access, but what we've decided to do is mount it on our, not strut bar, our harness bar, thank you. We're gonna mount it on the harness bar. It's a little bit harder to get to for the driver, but still accessible. And then it's out of the way of any passengers we have. So I think I like that a little bit better. This kit also comes with a lanyard. Half of it goes, or one end goes onto the key, or half of it goes onto the pin, and then the other half will go onto this, and then onto the harness bar, so it'll stay if you pull the pin. You won't lose your pin. God forbid you have to pull the pin.
Sweet. And I don't think this is required by SCCA, but if you do any NASA events or anything like big track things, they might require you to have a fire extinguisher in the car.
Yeah, you'll have to check your guidelines and regulations. This is just ease of mind.
Right.
Is that the word?
Yeah.
You're saying?
So we're not doing anything that really requires this yet, but I mean the car's performing well, so who knows where we take it next. So it's better safe than sorry. So a lot's been done to the car, and you never know. So
Yeah, we've worked on it, so
yeah,
this is necessary.
you may have watched videos of us working on it. So
All right, let's go.
all right.
All right, pretty quick install. I think it took us less than 10 minutes. We got our lanyard installed, mounted the 2 hose clamps to the harness bar. You can still see the gauge clearly. It's a little bit harder for the driver to get to. I imagine you'll have to probably undo your harness to get to it, but once you got it, you can just yank on this and use your extinguisher.
Pretty handy.
Sweet.
Hopefully we never use that and it stays there until it gets dusty.
Yeah. All right, another project in the books.